In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage leads and personalize prospecting with HubSpot Sales Hub. Start by opening HubSpot and heading to the CRM area. This brings all your sales tools into one place so you can work faster and keep data consistent. From there, go to Contacts. This is your command center for every person in your pipeline, including prospects, customers, and partners. To bring in a batch of new leads, choose Add Contacts, then select Import. You'll see a few different ways to get data in. If you have a spreadsheet ready, choose Import a File. A simple CSV works best. Make sure your columns have clear headers and always include an email column so HubSpot can prevent duplicates. During the import, map each column to a HubSpot property like first name, last name, company, and lifecycle stage. Take a moment to review the preview screen to confirm everything lines up correctly before you finish. If your leads already live in other tools, pick Sync from Apps. This sets up an ongoing two-way connection so new contacts and updates can flow automatically. Choose the source app, define the sync direction, and set basic rules to overwrite conflicts or duplicates. Consistent syncing keeps your reps focused on outreach instead of data entry. For larger migrations, use Transfer Your Data. This guided path helps you move contacts from another CRM while keeping structure and history intact. When mapping, think about future personalization. Ensure fields like industry, job title, and lead source make the trip so your team can tailor messaging later. When you just need to add one person quickly, go back to Add Contacts and select Create New. Enter their email, first name, and last name. At a minimum, the email ensures deduplication and enables one-to-one communication. If you have it handy, consider adding details like company, role, or lead source right away. These properties supercharge personalization in templates and sequences because tokens can pull directly from the data you capture. Click Create to save the record. Once the contact exists, enrich it with quick notes and assign an owner so follow-up is clear. Clean data leads to better targeting, so keep formatting consistent and avoid abbreviations that vary by user. If compliance matters to your organization, remember to record consent fields during import or creation so your outreach stays aligned with regulations. To recap, manage your leads by centralizing them in contacts, choose the import method that fits your workflow, file, app sync, or data transfer, and when needed, add individuals manually with the essential fields. Thoughtful data at the point of entry is what enables truly personalized prospecting later.